This mildly spiced curry in a hurry doesn't mess about. Minimal prep, a quick simmer, and it's on the table in less than 15 minutes. It gives a whole new meaning to fast food. Fry off the onion, garlic and ginger until soft and fragrant. Sprinkle in the cumin and curry powder and toast for around a minute. Add chickpeas, chopped tomatoes and half a can of water and simmer for 5 minutes. Stir in spinach and fresh coriander until the spinach wilts down into the sauce. Finish with a spoonful of yogurt for a creamy touch. Plant-based, packed with protein and bursting with flavour. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more Slimming World healthy meal ideas.